Tiempo saja.
Na cucu wa turang, bimnya turang banyak presiden di nota Borron. Ina Borron ay umuna, biraman turang ati amba bilbang, elene sasa wa turang wa Borron.
Wah, oi.
Rego ni kita macam mata lama. Kami cuci apa seni amnana. Ay barita ini orang real cumai. Biar waktu orang cuci dan orang cuci waktu orang yang boleh pakai sesuatu.
Oh, tinggal mengenal kamu. Apa tu ni pun? I know the purpose of this gathering that's going to take place in the next couple of days. We're on to an important level in the development of our country, as you already are well versed. This is an opportunity for you and for us and for the members of the public to become acquainted with you again, to hear of your views, how you see things develop. It's the whole focus is for us to move ahead. The Prime Minister, whom you will be calling on later on, he will give you the whole focus of that. My job here today is welcome to Fiji. Good to see all of you looking so well. I trust that, not only trust, I know that your consultations will go well.